Here we've got a Volvo Xc90 in for a pin to drive immobiliser. Let's show you how it works. So this one we can actually start the vehicle. But if we watch there, it's in park. As we select gear, it just goes back into park. Bounces back. Cannot select gear. So using buttons available around the network, you now must enter your unique PIN code. If I enter the code, you get a double beep. Foot on the brake, select gear, it now goes into gear nice and safely. Back into park. As soon as you switch it off, it automatically rearms. So switch the vehicle off, 5 seconds, fully protected again. So to start the vehicle, we cannot select gear. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call, Tony Lit Car Security, 0333 012 9028.